Racing just is started. We have Windy Wind. Break quickly. Start brushing up now. Warriors are invincible. Safety's gold in the middle portion. Dandino, my cup of tea. Then next online is Daredevil. Then followed by Kalibato Kid. Jet Setter Slim comes next. Wabi Zabi. While Miss Manila is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Windy Wind by a length and a half. Invincible is right behind in second. Running by the rail, third comes Dandino. Alongside fourth comes Safety's Gold. Then next online is Jet Setter Slim. Moving up now, Ariane Series Daredevil. Alongside comes My Cup of Tea. Miss Manila comes next, Wabi Sabi. While Kalibato Kid now racing in less. And out of our turn, we have Invincible. Down on the inside is Windy Wind. Dandino now moving up now on the outside. Safety's Gold comes next. Jet Setter Slim, Daredevil, My Cup of Tea, Miss Manila, Kalibato Kid, and Wabi Sabi. As they swing for home, we have Invincible by a length and a half. Dandino is on the outside. Windy Wind is running by the rail. Last 100 meters, we have Invincible, followed by Windy Wind down on the inside. Invincible, Windy Wind, Invincible, Windy Wind, and finally a close finish between Windy Wind and Invincible. Then comes Dandino, My Cup of Tea, 7 Safety's Gold, and Daredevil.
Again? Yes, another one bites the dust. Again.